Hello class, welcome to Friday, February 28th, Day A. I appreciate you being responsible and respectful while I've been gone. On the docket today is make sure that you turn in your crap sheet, your note sheet, to Canvas. The Canvas title for that will be Global Issues Notes. So get that turned in, it'll be worth 10 points. It'll be the last grade in your second trimester grade book. Today our goal is to finish body paragraph 3. Again, you can find examples of those in our essay writing page as we look at the paper format example, or it should also be in your outline, which is also linked to our agenda. So again, just a reminder, in this document, this is not an example of an intro. This is the backbone of what a body paragraph should be. Okay, so when you look at this, this is the first argument. So you want to introduce your topic. You want to say it's the most pressing issue facing the world today because of one of the reasons that you chose in your green section on your note sheet. Secondly, you want to list a fact or statistic, and then talk about how, explain how that relates to your topic, why it's important. Those of you who need more info, you need to add another fact or statistic in each body paragraph. You would add another fact or statistic, and then you would talk about how it relates to your global issue topic once again. Again, we have plenty of examples in the paper example section. We have an A paper. We have sentence starters. Make sure you check those out. If you're writing your intro today, you have a thesis help. Again, your intro needs to be a general introduction into the topic and how it relates to a global issue. Start with a hook. Start with a large fact or statistic or story that will get your readers enticed to read the rest of the introduction. And your thesis statement. Your thesis statement should state your global issue and the 3 paragraphs that are going to follow. So let's say I have water scarcity. In my water scarcity essay, my first paragraph would talk about drought. My second paragraph would talk about climate change. And my third paragraph would talk about having to move away from the area. So in my thesis, I would list those 3 things after I talk about my global issue. So it should be 1 sentence long is a thesis, and it's the last sentence of your introduction. Your paper outline, once you finish with your body paragraph, I was going to make a copy, so I don't want to do that. Once you make your paragraph, you can start looking at your last piece of writing. So it's a conclusion. And I'll talk about this again on Tuesday. So those of you who are not here, that's fine. You can stop the video right now. Conclusion. Okay, the conclusion paragraph. Restate your thesis in different words. So my global issue involving A, B, and C paragraphs. Okay. If you have arguments for yours, you can talk about what the problem is, reiterate the points that you talk about maybe in your intro. Offer a solution. Okay, you don't have to have arguments here, but offer a solution. And then you want to kind of end it on a punctual note. All right. If we don't do this, 79 million people are going to die next year. Right. So you can use projected facts. You can use traditional facts. You can use any type of thing to kind of project mass hysteria and death. A call to action. Give us a reason why we should help your cause and why we should give to your campaign. Things to stay away from. I don't want a global tax. Okay, the rich countries are not responsible for the underdeveloped countries. One thing they could be enticed to do is invest in developing countries. And how can they invest in developing countries? Some of the things we're doing now is investing in job creation. We're having those societies build us stuff that we ship back to the U.S. for cheaper, for example. But there would be no enforceable way to have a global tax where people would just pay or put up things. You can talk about NGOs, how to get those started, and you can even look at our own communities about how to start a process of helping out people locally and expanding that statewide and expanding that nationwide and then maybe expanding it into other countries. So that's completely up to you as far as how you want to offer your solution. Okay, but you want to kind of restate your thesis, your things that you just went over in different words. You want to talk about a solution and call your readers to action. Okay, tell them what they need to do. All right. So with that being said, good luck. Hopefully you are 4/5 of the way done with your paper by the end of the day today. Make sure that you turn in any missing work, actually all missing work, and your note sheet by today at the end of the day so that I can grade them for Monday. Okay, Monday you don't have school, but grades are due, and I may not have time to grade it Monday if you decide to turn it in Monday. So please be organized, get your things turned in on time, be safe, responsible, and respectful while I'm gone, and have a great day, Northwest.